Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you the capacitors, how if they're working or not. First of all, in capacitors there are four models. One is the main model electrolyte, and this is the ceramic model and the tantalum model. I have these two types of tantalum model and different values. So and fourth type is plastic model and we don't have it. So now I'll show you that how to check this capacitors using digital multimeter. First of all, you should set the pointer to resistors column 2000 kilo ohm. Okay, now let's test it. First of all, you need to discharge the capacitor. How to discharge is, take any iron object, connect the two terminals of the capacitor for it to discharge it. Hold it for 2 seconds, 1 and 2. Now guys, let's check it. In this ceramic model there will be no terminals and you can place wherever you want. So guys, there you can see first of all it was 1 and the reading increased and decreased to 1. If it do like this, and this capacitor is in good position. And now let's check another capacitor. 1 2. Okay, now let's check it. So guys, the multimeter doesn't show any change. Now this is a worst capacitor, means it failed. Now let's check this tantalum model. Here you can see only one is printed here. That means this is the anode and remaining pins are cathode. Means anode is the plus and remaining pins are minus. Now let's check this. First of all, we need to discharge it. Hold it for 2 seconds. 1 2. So guys, now let's check it. So guys, the value in multimeter is increasing and decreasing. Let's wait for a minute. So guys, the volt value in this multimeter got increased, decreased and finally came to 1, and this is a good capacitor. So in the tantalum model type 2, now I'll discharge it. 1 2. Now guys, I'll show you. So guys, first I'll attach both of this. So voltage increased and came to 1. So this is a good capacitor. And now I'll show you how to test this electrolyte capacitor. Now first discharge it. Hold it for 2 seconds. 1 2. Now here you can see the white line here. So it says it is the negative terminal and it is the another side is the positive terminal. So now let's check it. So guys, while checking, don't let these two terminals to touch because it shows a wrong reading. Now, okay, let's check it. So guys, the voltage is increasing and decreasing. First, wait for 1 minute. So guys, the voltage increased and finally it came to 1. That says it is a good capacitor. If it is a same process to check any values of in capacitors in this. Now let's check another. So guys, the value not disturbed and this is a bad capacitor. So guys, in this ceramic model I have another type of capacitor. Now let me check it. So guys, it did not made any change. So we forgot to discharge this one. So 1, 2. And now let's check it. So guys, even if we discharged, it did not show any result to us. That means it is also a bad capacitor. Guys, for the people who don't have multimeter also can test the capacitors. That I'll show you now how. Using this tester which we use for testing bulbs. Now let's test this whether if it works or not. First of all, we'll discharge it. 1, 2. Now let us hold it. So guys, the light in this did not glow, so this is a bad one and it's not working. So let's check this electrolyte model. Hold it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. So guys, let's check it now. So guys, you saw a light blinked. That means it is a good capacitor. And I'll check it another one. 1, 2. And now guys, let's check it. So don't let the terminals touch each other. So if you touch the terminals each other, the light glows continuously and it does not show properly. So guys, you just saw it just blinked away, a small blink. That means it is also a good one. So now let's check this ceramic model. Now I showed this, it is not working. So now I'll show this another model of this ceramic one. 1, 2. Now let's check it. So guys, it is not working. Now let's discharge another time. 1, 2. So guys, now let's check it. So guys, the light did not glow here. So this is not a good capacitor. It is a bad one. That means it is got failed. Now let's check this tantalum model. So guys, you need not to maintain positive and negative if you test this using with tester, because it don't have positive and negative. So guys, you saw the light blinked just some. That means it is a good capacitor. And now let's check this another piece of tantalum model. So guys, the light blinked just now, and let's discharge for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now let's check it. So guys, again the light blinked just some. That means it also says this is a good capacitor. So that's it for today guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video.